Okay, guys, this is a quiz over supplementary and complementary angles. You need to find the missing angles. Please use a calculator. You can, of course, use paper pencil if you want to, but a calculator would be easier. You can use one from a phone. You can use one right on your Chromebook. So again, you're going to want to use a calculator. So this first angle is a supplementary angle. That means it's 180 degrees because see this here? This is a straight line. So we have 77 for one side and x for the other. So we want to know what is 180 minus 77. I'll give you a minute to figure out your answer. What do you call two angles whose sum is 180 degrees? Remember, it's the angle that is a straight line is also what this is called. I'll give you a minute to think about it. Is the answer supplementary or complementary? Two angles whose sum is 180 degrees. The next question, you need to find the missing angle, and this is a complementary angle because both angles equal 90 degrees. And also, you can notice the little box in the corner here. That's how you know it's another way to know it's a 90-degree angle or complementary. So what you need to do with your calculator is figure out 90 minus 18 to find out the answer. So use your calculator or paper pencil and tell me what 90 minus 18 is. I'll give you a minute here to figure that out. Okay, guys, this is a supplementary angle. That means the angles add up to 180. We have 76 plus x equals 180, so you just need to take 180, use your calculator or however you're figuring this out, 180 minus 76. So I'll give you a couple seconds to figure that out. Find the answer to 180 minus 76. Okay, again, what is it called when you have two angles whose sum is 180? What is that called? Okay, guys, another supplementary angle. So you know it's going to be some number x plus 35 equals 180. So you can simply just take 180 minus 35. So use your calculator, whatever you need. Try to figure that out. What's 180 minus 35? Okay, guys, last one. So now this is a complementary angle, so that means they equal 90 degrees. So you have 18 plus some number is 90 degrees. So in your calculator or however you're figuring it out, you want 90 minus 18 is there, so that's we know we can use this to figure out the missing angle. 90 minus 18.